What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. This question is asking the mean amount of fluid in a bottle of lens cleaner is 59 milliliter. A researcher believes that the mean is different than that. 35 bottles are sampled and the mean is found to be 63 milliliter with a standard deviation of 2.3 milliliter. Test the claim based on this information at alpha is equal to 0.01. Assume it is normally distributed. So here we are trying to test the claim. Now let's go ahead and write the given information first. First, they have given the mean value, that is 59. So mu is equal to 59, and a researcher believes that the mean is different than that. So this is our claim. Claim is different than 59. And after that we have 35 bottles are sampled. So n is equal to 35. And the mean is found to be 63 milliliter. So this is our x bar. X bar is equal to 63, and then standard deviation is 2.3. So this is our s value, standard deviation 2.3, and also they have given the alpha value, that is 0.01. Now here we are going to use the p-value approach. In order to do this, we are going to follow these steps. The first step is write down a shortened version of claim. So this is our claim, and come up with a null and alternate hypothesis. H naught always has the equal part on it. So this is basically when we have H naught and H1. H naught always have the equal part on it. It means H naught always come up with less than equal or greater than or equal. So this is the only possible expression for null hypothesis. But for alternate hypothesis, we can have less than, greater than, or not equal. So these are the expression for null alternate hypothesis. And according to our claim, different than 59, it means this is not equal to 59, right? So if you look at this one, this one matches with the alternate hypothesis. So we are going to use alternate hypothesis. Mu is not equal to 59. So our claim goes under alternate hypothesis. And alternate hypothesis and null hypothesis act in opposite way. Like if this is not equal, this is going to be equal. If it's greater, this is going to be less than. And it goes like that. Since we are getting not equal, this is going to be equal to. So mu is going to be equal to 59 in null hypothesis. And after that, we had to find the p-value. In order to do that, we had to do the t-test. Now let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, here go to the stat. Okay, go to stat, and after that go to these tests, and then second is t-test, enter, and here we have the stats. Okay, the first is mu. Now let's look at our values. Our mu was 59, so here we have the same thing, and then x bar is 63, so I change this one into 63. And after that we have S standard deviation is 2.3, so I change this one into 2.3. And after that we have n, the number of samples, that is 35, so this is going to become 35. And the mu is we found out our claim is not equal to, right? So this is the first one, not equal to, and enter. Okay, and after that we are going to calculate this one, calculate, and we have to note down the p-value. That's what we want. And if you look at this one, that is giving us 5.59 times 10 to the power minus 12. So let's write that one down right here. P is equal to 5.59, we can say 5.6 times 10 to the power minus 12, right? That's what e power minus 12 is, basically 10 to the power minus 12. And that's it. Now let's go ahead for our problem. Let's complete our problem. And here they are saying if the p-value is less than alpha, reject H naught. And definitely here the p-value is, it's very small value, because 10 to the power minus 12, it means 12 decimal places away, like from 0, right? So this is definitely less than alpha, so we are going to reject H naught. So this means our conclusion is going to be, conclusion, we reject H naught, and if we reject H0, we have to accept H1, accept H1. And if you look at the claims goes under H1, right? So if the claim is H1, we are going to accept the claim because we are accepting H1, therefore we accept the claim, accept the claim, and that's going to be our final conclusion. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.